Okay, welcome everybody to Cashpot Tech and Finance Up. Quickly, this video is a short video that is going to be explaining how to open your YouTube channel. Now, a lot of people wants to start their YouTube channel and they actually do not know how to go about it. Now, take it from me, it does not matter if you are a beginner or you don't even know anything about YouTube, you don't even know about monetization, you don't know about the passion, about the algorithm or anything that has to do with YouTube. If actually you desire to start the journey of starting your YouTube channel, you can actually start from here. And I tell you, we are going to take you along the way in getting yourself known and recognized, and you can start earning on YouTube. Now, gone are the days. There were days when I opened my first email, I paid money to actually open my first email. But do you know that today, a 12 years, a 5 years, a 7-year-old can actually open an email? This is how simple and easy it is to actually open an email. Now, opening a YouTube channel also is something that is similar. And I tell you, I know people who paid money in order to have a YouTube channel. Yes, there are people that paid just to have a YouTube channel. Funny enough, everyone who has a Gmail account already has a YouTube account. That is just how simple it is to open. Opening an email, a YouTube account is just that you need a Gmail account. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can get along with every step of the way on how to get yourself started with YouTube creation and all of that. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to be giving you something at the end of this video. Don't let me unveil that yet. Wait till the end of the video. Now, how do I open my YouTube account? Very, very easy. Now, I don't know if you're watching this video, I already assume that you have a Gmail account. But if you're on your phone and you don't have a Gmail account, all you need to do is just to sign up for one by creating an account with Gmail. So you set up your email, click on Google, and then it asks for your authentication and all of that. If you have not opened an email account already, it may not request for all of this. You put the email account or your phone number you wish to use, whatever the name you want to use, and follow the prompt, and then you can get your email created. Of course, this video is not on how to create an email, but just for us to know how to, that you need an email to open your YouTube account. So once that is ready, you just head up to to YouTube. Of course, some of us must have been watching YouTube on our phone. So all you need to do is to click on the J icon that is on your avatar right here at the top right hand corner. So you see this avatar here, you click on it. Then you now go to where, if for instance this is the account you want to use to create your YouTube, all you need to do is just to click on your channel and then you can customize your channel. But if not, if there is not the email account, for instance, I have a YouTube channel on this email, so I want to create a YouTube account on a new email account which does not actually have a YouTube account, so that you can create it along with this video. So let's go to an email. Let me go and select that particular email. So now you can see that there are some of these accounts that does not have a YouTube channel. For example, you can see Transformational Uppers, a YouTube channel already, the Transformed Life. You can see Top Mat email does not have a channel, no channel, no channel, no channel. So you can see a lot of them does not have. So I now want to create an account for RRF Global. So what do? I click on no channel. Already with this, I already have a channel. So all I need to do is click on my avatar again and go to your channel. So it now asks me what name I want to use. Of course, you can see it already profiled a name for me, which was the name of that account. So from here, you can change your picture. If you have a particular picture you want to use for that account, you can easily select it and upload whichever way you want to upload that. Of course, the picture you want to use, or the image or the icon or the logo you want to use, as the case may be. It may be a personal YouTube channel, it may be a business YouTube channel. All you need to do is just to select the logo or the image, and then you insert it there. Then if this name is not what you need, you can easily change it here. So, or if you want to add to it, and then very important is your undo. So for here, I'm going to edit this to just only small letters, RRF Global. All right, so you save. Oh, that is not well spelled. All right, this is correct now. Save. So if someone else is using that undo, Gmail will not allow you to use it, or we give you a suggestion on how, on another one, or you can easily still create your own. So after this is done, all you need to do is just to click on this create channel. Create channel. So your YouTube channel is created. So you are now on your YouTube channel. So go back to your channel and you see that your YouTube channel is ready. You can see your name, your logo, your undo, and then YouTube also shows you the number of subscribers you have. No subscriber, and you can see that there is no subscriber and there is no video yet, because you have not uploaded any video and no one has subscribed to your channel. So this is all it takes for you to get your YouTube channel up and running. Now the next video I'm going to be showing after this video, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button so that you can follow on how to actually customize your channel, how to put your image, your background picture, your profile picture, setting all of the settings and some of the things that will help your channel get found. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, switch on the notification bell so that you can be first to know once I upload that video. Now, before you go, there is a community that is called YouTube Creators Fast Track. What we are doing on that channel, on that group, is fast tracking our YouTube monetization journey. And this is going to give you a lot of educations like this when you join that group, some links that is going to help you get found. So to get started, go to the description of this video and you'll find the link to that community. So join the community and let's get started as we grow together in this journey. All right, this is it for this video. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.